In today's video, I am going to teach you how to change RSI TradingView. By the end, you'll know exactly how to fine-tune the relative strength index so it matches your trading style, is easy to read, and stays consistent across your charts. Start by opening your charts so you can see the RSI pane below your price chart. Move your cursor to the top left corner of the RSI pane and hover over the RSI indicator name. A small gear icon for settings will appear. Click that gear to open the configuration window. This is where all the meaningful tweaks live. Under the Inputs tab, let's talk about lengths and source. Length controls how many periods the RSI uses to calculate momentum. The default is 14, which is a balanced setting for many traders. If you lower it to something like 7, the RSI will respond faster to price changes, which can help with shorter-term moves but may introduce more noise. If you raise it to something like 21, the RSI becomes smoother and slower, which can filter out choppy action but may react later. Choose what fits your time frame and tolerance for whipsaws. Next, adjust source. By default, it uses the close price, which is standard. You can switch to other sources such as open, high, or low if you want the RSI to reference a different part of each candle. This won't change your strategy by itself, but it can subtly shift how the oscillator behaves around key levels. You'll also see smoothing options for a moving average applied to the RSI. Turning this on and selecting a type like SMA or EMA can help calm a jittery RSI line. SMA tends to be steadier while EMA reacts faster. Use whichever helps you read direction and momentum more clearly. Now head to the Style tab to refine visuals. Here, change the colors and line thickness for both the RSI and its moving average. Make the line bold enough to stand out against your chart theme so you don't miss signals. Adjust the upper and lower bands next. The defaults are 70 for overbought and 30 for oversold. You can keep these or nudge them if your market is particularly volatile or calm. Consider adding a background fill between the zones to quickly see when RSI enters overbought or oversold territory. This visual cue makes scanning easier, especially on fast-moving markets. When you are happy with the setup, click OK to apply it. If you want these exact settings on future charts, open the Defaults menu and select Save as Default. That way, every new chart loads with your preferred RSI configuration. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.